To, to hold the pond liner to the inside of the tank, I've got this idea. So this is a trash bag, but I don't have my liner yet. I'm going to have a washer that's not going to corrode. Maybe some piece of PEX. This is really hard to cut, so I'm going to find something else. But anyway, I sandwiched the pond liner between the washer and the liner. I will move this up farther, but just wanted to show you the back side. And then I'm going to tighten a wire around the length of the extra bolt length to hold it up. And I don't need to go this high. I could probably tie it around this pipe here. That way it'll all be nice and flush. The liner will go all the way up to here. And just do this all the way around, maybe every foot or a foot and a half, I'm not sure. But it grips really tight is the important thing. Like, I can't pull this out without ripping the bag. That's plenty strong because it's not going to have weight pulling down. It's mainly going to be pushing out to the side. I mean, I just need to leave enough slack down the length of the side so it won't pull down from here. Is this gonna work? I think it's shaping up. I don't know. When I first fill it with water after putting all this in, we'll find out if this thing's gonna lean or what's gonna happen. I've never done this before, so this ought to be interesting. I'm also planning on putting some more of this thinner mesh size up higher, because I figured at 2 feet that's 0.41 psi each foot, so that's 0.8 pounds of pressure here times 36. Well, that's like 24 pounds just pushing on this panel alone, one of these panels. And you got, lots of pounds all across these meshes. But for a single panel, that's 24 pounds, and I don't think this alone would hold it. So I need to put some more mesh up here too. All right, take it easy and follow to see this crazy tank if it's gonna work. There's trampolines being thrown away on Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace all the time. You could build a tank for very inexpensive. Catch me next time. Bye.